Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Actions Recommended warning in Windows Defender on Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, simply search for msconfig and open System Configuration. From here, go to the Boot tab, select the Save Boot option, click on Apply, OK, and then click on Restart. Once your PC boots into safe mode, open the File Explorer. Now click on View, click on Show, then select Hidden Items. Now go to your C drive, Program Data folder, Microsoft folder, Windows Defender folder, Scans folder, History folder, and finally in the Service folder. Now select and delete all the contents of this folder. Now again search for msconfig and open System Configuration. Now under the General tab, select the normal startup option, click on Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. After restart, if you open Windows Security, you won't get to see any warning messages further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.